Become a freelance graphic designer. With Crello's user-friendly design tools, you can offer your services as a freelance graphic designer to clients in need of visual content for their businesses. Charge per project or offer subscription-based services for ongoing work. Create and sell digital products. Use Crello to create digital products such as social media templates, branding kits, and marketing materials. Sell them on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Offer design services for social media. Many businesses need help creating engaging social media content. Use Crello to create social media graphics, ads, and stories for clients. Provide design services for websites. Help businesses improve their website's visual appeal with Crello's design tools. Offer services like website banner design, landing page design, and website redesigns. Create and sell courses. Use Crello to create courses on graphic design, branding, and marketing. Sell them on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or your own website. Provide design services for events. Help event planners create visually appealing event materials like flyers, posters, and banners using Crello's design tools. Offer design services for blogs. Help bloggers create visually appealing blog graphics, social media graphics, and pins using Crello's design tools. Provide design services for presentations. Help businesses create visually appealing presentations using Crello's design tools. Offer design services for email marketing. Help businesses create visually appealing email marketing campaigns using Crello's design tools. Provide design services for print materials. Use Crello's design tools to create print materials like business cards, brochures, and posters for clients. Create and sell design templates. Use Crello to create design templates for social media, websites, and print materials. Sell them on platforms like Envato Elements or your own website. Provide design services for product launches. Help businesses create visually appealing product launch materials using Crello's design tools. Offer design services for packaging. Use Crello's design tools to create visually appealing packaging designs for clients. Provide design services for branding. Help businesses create visually appealing branding materials using Crello's design tools. Offer design services for infographics. Use Crello's design tools to create visually appealing infographics for clients.